Sophie. Okay, now it's time to play the animal hunt game. You need to find the animals and put them one by one in the basket. What is that? What animal is that? Lion. What's the sound of the lion? Very good. Okay, put in the basket. Get one more. Find another animal. What is that? Leopard. Great job. Okay, get another one. What about that? That is bear. Very good. Get another one. Wow, what is that? Tiger. Fantastic. Okay, then the last one. Find the last one. Find the last one. Whoa, what is that? Elephant. What's the sound of the elephant? Very good. Now we're done. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Say bye-bye. What is that?
Bear.
Bear. Okay, very good. Oopsie. Okay, get the other animals. Tiger. Very good. Put the tiger in the basket. Okay, now get the other animals. What animal is that? What is that? Lion. Very good. Okay, put the lion in the basket. Put the lion. Okay, the last one. What animal is that? Leopard. Very good. Okay. Okay, great job! Hi, Sophie. Okay, you need to help the animals walk on track. Okay, you put them one by one. Okay, put the others. Follow the line. Okay, very good. Get more. Time to count. It's time to count how many. Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. And the other track. How many animals? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. 5 also. Clap your hands. Very good. Sophie. Okay, let's count how many lions do you have?
1, 2, 3.
3 lions. What's the sound of the lion? Very good. Clap your hands. Bye bye.